Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm just coming to you today with a quick little video here showing you some winnings. I participated in a blog hop to support Janie, who is the craft princess here on YouTube. And this was back in, I believe it was the beginning of January. And in any case, I had to travel, so I was unable to participate in supporting her regarding that blog hop. So I was really sad about that, but I was wanting to be supportive, so I did leave comments as I could on the, on the separate videos, and I was one of the fortunate winners of the one of the prizes, and this particular one was from Sherri Baldy. If you don't know who she is, she sells digital stamps as well as some physical stamps and digital papers. So I just wanted to quickly show you a few of the pieces because I ended up winning twice as much as what I was supposed to win because Sherri decided to do that. So I just want to say a huge thank you to Sherri Baldy, who's the designer of these papers as well as these images. And I only printed out some of the papers. I don't have all of them here. I think I ended up selecting 3 paper packs, and then I selected, well, what you'll see here. So this is one of the images, and I think she's absolutely adorable. I think she's called Sweetheart Bestie. So her dolls, some of them are called Besties and some of them are called, I think, Fluffy Besties or something like that. They're really cute. They have different styles. And you'll see here, like, this one was one of my favorites, so I did end up picking her out because she's sitting on a coffee cup, and I'm a big coffee drinker, so I thought that would be appropriate. And the cool thing is that you can print them out in different sizes, as you can see here. You can fiddle with the images and, make them suitable to your project. And then here's another one. I thought she was really sweet, and I liked it because this said cafe, and that's how I look at that, is, that's what I drink, is cafe, not coffee. That's just me, but she's wearing the little fluffy bunny slippers, and I thought that was really cute. Her robe and curlers in her hair. So I found that totally relatable, and as you can see, I was able to print quite a few of them. And then there was this one here, and I just thought she was really sweet. She's also holding a little cup, keeping herself warm, and I thought her little boots and the fluffy dress was really adorable. And then so she's got some of them where it's the profile where you see half the face like that, and then the other ones that you see straight on. And then I had to get this one too. She's got the movie night, and she's got her little popcorn. So they're quite whimsical. Some of them are a little more sassy than others, but there's a little bit of everything, I think, there for all different types of tastes. And the other thing that she has are the paper collections, which I was surprised by because I had seen her images in other videos, but I had never known that, I didn't know she sold paper. And what I did was that I just printed them out in a 6x6 format just to give myself a sampling. This is not necessarily one pack, meaning that I combined them. I just printed out the ones that I thought I would work with or wanted to see first, and these were all the ones with pink, and I really like them. They're very shabby. The printer that I have, however, is a little low on ink, so you can fiddle with, the coloring depending on, what you want to do. If you're familiar with digital imaging and all of that, then you know what I'm talking about. But the saturation of the colors is really pretty. The images that she's got are just very sweet. Here's the lavenders. I thought the the distressing is really nicely done. And then she combined in this particular pack the lavender and greens, which I love. I think the colors are really beautiful together. And then she's got some like this with the blues, and they're just lovely. And this one here, oh, I loved it because it's got the distressing. Now, my printer didn't print this at the best quality, so I am going to try to replace the ink and try to see if I can get a better image than that, because the image online looks much nicer than what I was able to print out there. But there's a sampling of it. They're absolutely adorable, and they are meant to look like that. They're meant to look like washes, distressed. But I wanted to show you that, and I wanted to say, of course, a huge thank you also to Janie, and congratulations. She did reach her 10,000 subscriber mark, and I think that is amazing. So yeah, I think it's good to support one another, of course, absolutely, here on social media. And here's the sample of the card that I just made using one of the images. I colored her in with alcohol markers, and then I just fiddled with her, and so I was able to make that little card, and I think it's absolutely adorable, and I hope that you guys check out Sherri's website. She's got a huge sale going on right now. I could not believe it. I was checking it out to see. Now, I couldn't find this particular image, this one. For some reason, I don't know if maybe she retired her or I just couldn't find her, but she's got a huge selection right now that I believe are brand new, and the sale is just incredible. And of course you can download these, and the great thing about it is that once it's yours, you can print it out as many times as you want to, and you can then manipulate the images. For instance, if you wanted to place her on top of the paper and then print it out like that, you could do that too. So, you know, you can play around, have a lot of fun with them. So thank you again, Janie. Thank you, Sherri. I hope that this video is useful to you guys. Go check out the web page. I will list it below on the description of this video. It is on Etsy, and it's an instant download unless you select the rubber stamps, which you can, and those are on sale as well. So yeah, go check her out and have a beautiful day. Be inspired and be blessed. Bye-bye.